Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back with another video for UK49 predictions and strategies. Guys, today I have two strategies. So I'm going to start off with the number calling strategy, and then I'll share the tips afterwards. All right. So I'm not going to waste any time. Buckle up. Let's dive into today's predictions. Like I said, I'm going to start with the number calling strategy. So the first number that I'm going to give you is 10. 3 calls 10 or 1. So yesterday, we were waiting for these two, 10 and 1, and they were our hottest bankers, but they didn't show up because these three repeated and the 24 repeated as well. So today we are going to repeat these two since our numbers repeated. The numbers that we're supposed to call 10 and 1 repeated yesterday. So write down 10 and 1, and then we have 2 and 4. These three over here calls 2, 4 or 1, but I already gave you 1. So guys, write down 2 and 4, and then this 21 calls 4 as well. The other number is 37, followed by 27. 30 calls 37 or 27. 20 calls 27. So guys, write down 37 and 27. These two numbers, just highlight them. They are also what numbers for today. All right. And then we have 6, 9, 29 and 26. These numbers over here, whenever 30 plays, one or two of these numbers will drop. All right. So most of the time they drop like this: 29, 6, or 29, 9, or 26, 6, 26, 9. Most of the time, whenever 30 comes, these numbers, they can play like this, or one of the four might play. So yes guys, add these four numbers, which means we have 10 single numbers from the number calling strategy today, right? So the hottest two numbers from all those 10 singles that I gave you, let's repeat today. Let's repeat 1 and 10. The same numbers that we had yesterday as our hottest bankers. Let's repeat them today. Since yesterday, like I said in the beginning, since 3 and 24 repeated yesterday, let's all repeat the numbers that they are calling. All right. And then as for the hottest pairs, I know also 2 is very hot because 3, 30 and 34, these numbers they call 2. But today I've decided let's take 4 and use it as the main banker to pay all the other 9 singles that I've shared. Right. So we're gonna take 4, pay with 1, 4, pay with 10, 4, pay with 2, 4, pay with 37, 4, pay with 27, 4 pair with 6, 4 pair with 9, 4 pair with 29, 4 pair with 26. So guys, the same way I paired these numbers with that 4 there, it means it's the main banker. You can also use 1 and 10 the same way. Use 1, pair with all the other numbers, and then 10 pair with all the other numbers. All right, so that is all from the number calling strategy. And then remember guys, you are going to play both lunchtime and tea time. And then on tea, I want you to add this 48, 13. I'll explain to you where these pages are coming from. And then 18, 13. These three pages, I took them from like on tea time. If you want, you can add these two as singles. Alright, because yesterday, you know guys, most of the time, if we do on this number calling strategy, it means the numbers have repeated. Yesterday we had 48 and 18, and they were supposed to come from this 41, but 41 repeated yesterday on tea time. So this is where I'm taking these numbers. All right, 41 calls 48 or 18, and then this 21 over here, 21 might call 13 or 4 as well. All right, or if you want, you can add 48, 4, and then 18, 4 like this, and then you have 5 pairs. Okay, these ones you can add them on tea time. All right, that's it guys. Let's head over to the tips. So from the tips yesterday, I gave you only 2 tips and they worked. The problem, the numbers came on different draws. 41 played not 41 but 42, sorry, 42, and this 20. They played from both the tips that I gave you, but they came on different draws. So let's see, today we're going to use the same tips and the other tips that I've added. The first tip, we're going to take the lunchtime first number plus or minus third number. This is where the 20 came from. All right, so today 3 plus this plus or minus 30 will have 33 and 27. 30 minus 3 goes to 27. 30 plus 3 goes to 33. So write down 33 and 27. The second tip, tea time, 50 number plus or minus 1, the one that gave us 42 yesterday. 41 plus 1 gave us 42. So today we're going to take this 42 plus or minus 1 will get 43 and 41. Write down these two numbers. And then the final tip, tea time, first number plus or minus third number. So this is basically the same one as the first tip that I gave you, but the only difference is here you'll be using the tea time results, the other one you use lunchtime results, and then this one you use the tea time results. So I saw it yesterday that it's working. Let me quickly show you. Let's start here from the 25th. 26 plus 9 equals to 35, and then 35 played here, and then here 5 plus or minus 1, 5 minus 1 equals to 4, and then here 4 and 13, 4 plus 13 equals to 17, 17 is over here, and then 3 and 33, 33 minus 3 equals to 30, so 30 played yesterday. Today we're going to take this 21 plus or minus 38, 38 plus 21, 38 plus 21 will give us 59, right? 59. So since we have this 59, what we can do with this 59 is we can add 9 plus 5. We can have 14 from this one, or take 49, right? Subtract 49 from this 59, we'll get 10. Okay, which means the numbers that we have after adding 38 plus 21 are 14 and 10, and then 38 minus 21 equals to 17. So guys, these are the 3 numbers from this tip. 14, 10, and 17. So that's what I do most of the time. If I do my maths and then the number is higher than 49, it's either I add the number or I subtract 49, the number of balls in Uk49s. Alright, so here we have 14 and 17. Let me just write down all the numbers that we have today from the tips. Alright, tips, we have 33 and 27 from the first tip, and then from the second tip 43 and 41, and then the third tip 14, 10, and 17, which means we have 7 numbers from these tips. Alright guys, what you can do, you can just pair them up together. If you pair everything together, like 33, 27, 33, 43, 41 up to this, then take 27, pair with everything, and then take 43, pair with everything, 41, same thing, like everything up, you'll get 21 lines of 2 numbers, and then you can play both lunchtime and tea time. Alright guys, that's it for today, both lunchtime and tea time. If you've watched this far, thank you so much, and do not forget to click that like button. Until next time, bye and good luck.